So here we are on the home page of One Perfect Shot, and in this video what I want to do is show you how to stop the extra images from showing up here in the excerpt. So we've limited the, generally speaking, we've limited the amount of words that are in the excerpt, but you'll notice that right here, notice like Director of Photography right here and Director Christopher Nolan are on separate lines. If we use the default function, then these actually take these and they don't keep them on their separate lines, they just bunch them together into one line. So what we've done is we changed the excerpt so that the excerpts don't do that, so that they preserve these line breaks. But in doing so, if there are extra images that come before the initial text, it will actually show those images in the excerpt. But there's a very, very easy way to avoid that. So I'm going to go ahead and come into the actual posting right here, and I'm going to go ahead and edit the post. Now, generally speaking, when I edit, I'm usually over here in the text editor, but if you don't see that, just come over here to the visual side if it's easier for you to go ahead and edit in the visual. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these right here, and I'm going to cut those, and I'm going to come up here, and I'll place them up here at the top. Now, I want to place them here, but I can't quite because, as you see, there's an image right there, and it won't let me put in. That's okay. So I'm just going to come over here to the text side and move this down and paste those in there. Okay, so now that I've done that, I'm going to come down to a new line, and you see this little thing right over here. It says Insert Read More tag. I'm going to click that right there. Now, what this does is this tells the system that I want the excerpt to end right here, and if they want to see any more than that, they need to actually click a Read More button to see it. So then I'm going to go ahead and click Update. Excellent. Now I'm going to go ahead and come over here and view the post. Now you'll see in the post that we still have everything. The only difference, of course, here right now is that we have the Director of Photography and Director for Christopher Nolan up here. And then as we scroll down, we see the rest of the posting. Now when we come out to the home page, though, instead of all the pictures and everything that we saw before in the posting, now we're just going to see the Director of Photography and the Director for Christopher Nolan, and then a Read More link for them to go in and see that. So if you do want to put more images and stuff in there, that's fine. You can totally do that. Just remember that once you get to the area where you want the excerpt to end, just put in that Read More link is all you have to do, and then that will go ahead and cut that excerpt right there. If we were to go ahead and have the excerpt automatically remove all those images and everything, then when we did that, these lines wouldn't be preserved, and everything gets bunched together, and it looks really unprofessional. It just does not look appealing at all. So that's why we went ahead and we changed these excerpts in here so that everything formatting-wise is preserved. But in doing so, it will also leave HTML tags such as image tags and stuff in there. And so using a Read More tag like that, you completely and utterly avoid the issue. So anyway, that is how you adjust that just by adding a simple Read More tag. If you have any other questions or anything, just let us know.